25th of January 1990. My first thoughts are of immense happiness you have brought into our lives, Janak. Your first word was Ma, which is what you addressed me.
So when I realized Aishini was getting married, I was getting a little nervous, and I did go up to her and say, Aishini, do I really have to give a speech? And she said, Dad, it's on my spreadsheet, and you got 3 minutes.
When we formally welcome you to our family. However, you have been part of our family for a few years already.
Kanyam kanaka sampannam kanakabharanayiryutam dasyami vishnave tubhyam brahmaloke jigisaya.
Today, I got to marry my best friend. We've had quite the journey to get to this point, with many ups, which have been even better sharing them with you, and some downs, which we've helped each other get through.
You even agreed with my crazy idea to move not even halfway, but all the way across the world to New Zealand, where I honestly had the best time of my life, and I wouldn't have had half the experience without you by my side.
The wise have said that it's not the result that matters, but the journey to the result that really matters. To add to that, more importantly, it's the companion that you have on that journey that really matters.